How to fix Samsung phone camera error problems, 100% work, flowing step by step. First, open your Samsung device settings. Then scroll down and find Apps. And tap on Apps. Then find Apps here, Kamiya. After Find Camera, tap on Camera app. Then Camera Info here, tap on Storage. Then Clear Data. And tap on Delete. Done, go to Home Screen. Then here, tap on Camera app and hold few seconds. Then tap on a button. And here tap on Camera settings. Then scroll down and tap on Reset Camera Settings. Tap Aging Reset. Done. Now open your camera app, check your camera apps, it's working.